Are you a fresher looking for a job in the engineering field? Do you possess a diploma in mechanical or electrical engineering? Or perhaps you're an ITI graduate eager to make your mark in the world of power plant operations and maintenance? If so, listen closely as we have an exciting opportunity that might just be the perfect fit for you. Welcome to Job Strategy YouTube channel, where we bring you the latest and greatest job opportunities from around the globe. Today, we are shining the spotlight on OEG, a world-class organization that has been making waves in the power plant operations and maintenance industry since its establishment in 2002. With a global presence that spans India, Bangladesh, Sri Lanka, Singapore, Thailand, Indonesia, Dubai, and Saudi Arabia, OEG is a force to be reckoned with. Currently operating over 5,000 megawatts and showing no signs of slowing down, OEG is on a rapid growth trajectory, aiming to establish itself as a state-of-the-art service provider in Asia. Now, OEG is on the hunt for fresh talent to join their team as maintenance technicians. They have 5 vacancies open at their facilities in Trichy and Viralimalai, India. The job involves maintaining shot blasting machines, air compressors, air dryers, EOT cranes, sand conveying systems, and more. It also includes preventive and breakdown maintenance of factory equipment. The ideal candidate? Someone with an ITI or diploma in mechanical and electrical engineering, and someone who possesses good communication skills. If this sounds like you, then don't hesitate. Send your CVs to rajamohan@oegindia.com and take the first step towards a rewarding career with OEG. Remember, this isn't just a job offer, it's an opportunity to be part of a company that's powering the future. So, seize the moment, make your move, and who knows, you might just find yourself in the heart of the action, contributing to the global power industry. And that's it for today's Job Spotlight. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and share. And if you want to stay updated with the latest job opportunities, make sure to subscribe to our channel. After all, your dream job could be just a video away.